Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to easily view Snapchat messages without them knowing. Now, if you're a subscriber, you already know I already made a video on this, but it was under a different title, but we have to get the view somehow, and so I'm going to be showing you essentially how to half swipe. And the half swipe is where you swipe, but you don't swipe all of the way, and so what that means is you can view their messages, but they aren't notified. And with the latest Snapchat update, well, I say latest, a year ago, the update released, but I've always been using the really old versions. They technically patched the half swipe. I'm going to be showing you the updated way. It's kind of easy. So let's get started. So first of all, we're just going to swipe across, and you can see that's the message we're going to read without the notification. And so usually, to half swipe, we just swipe from like the middle. You can see that brings up the snap map. So instead, we're going to get a Bitmoji, and then we're going to just start swiping. And as long as you don't swipe the full way, you'll be able to reveal the message without the notification. So you can see that's the thing. Oh, okay, thanks for your response. I'm one of your biggest fans. And so I swipe that. And if I just swipe back, you can see no notification was sent that I read those messages, right? And so if we just reload Snapchat again, you can see it still says new chat. And we can half swipe. And as long as we haven't swiped the whole way, you can see, I can see the entire message right there, right? The second you swipe the full way, then obviously they're going to get a notification. Make sure you practice on, like, you just send a message to yourself and you just see how far can you swipe before a notification is sent out. Also, with the older Snapchat updates, it was actually harder to half swipe, because when you swipe like past like this point, it would notify. But now you can literally swipe to like probably the very edge, and there's still no notification. So I guess they tried the patch half swipe, and when they did that, they made it even more broken. And that's all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, smash like. See you guys later. Bye bye.